Hello everyone. Good morning, all of you. How are you? I hope you all are good. Students, this is Priyanka, your class teacher. Today, our topic is about civic sense. And before going to start our session, let's talk about garbage. Do you know what the waste is? Students, everything we throw away because sometimes it is old or damaged, or sometimes we don't want it, that is called waste. And do you know where you throw such these things? Students, good children and good persons always try and reduce waste because of there is too much waste, our surrounding will become less beautiful like this, and people will not have space to live in it. Now, students, let's open the book at page number 24. Bad behavior. Look at these pictures. They show bad behavior. Two boys showing bad behavior. Put a cross for all of them. Look here. First boy is throwing the waste, throwing the garbage litter on the road. He is doing a bad thing. Make a cross for him. The second boy is trying to write on the wall. Yes, this is called graffiti. Yes, this is also a part of bad behavior. On page number 25, look here. One boy is trying to write on the table. This is also a part of bad behavior. Make a cross into the given square box. Last picture about the boy who is spitting on the floor. This is also a part of bad behavior. These all are the part of bad manners, and who do such things are said to have bad manners. Now let's recite the rhyme on letter W, and the rhyme has given into your My Study Gear app, letter W into your mobile phone. While reciting the rhyme, let's do an activity. And for the activity, we need a sheet of paper and make a drawing of letter W like this and fill the color which you like to fill. Now students, open your book at workbook at page number 26. Open your book, Oodles book number 5 at page number 26. Letter W. Read aloud and trace the letter W. Trace the letter W on tracing, and after that into the given square boxes. Now open your book at page number 27. Letter W. Which of these things that start with letter W? Circle that things. Yes, the first picture is of watch, clock. Yes, make a circle around the watch. But this is a wall clock. Yes, next picture is of kangaroo. Next is of watch. Make a circle around the watch. Last is wall. Make a circle around the wall. Yes, students, make the circle. Find out the picture. Start with the letter W. After doing this page, now let's open your workbook at page number 25. Tracing capital letters W. Firstly, trace the letter W on tracing, and after that write the letters into the given boxes with the pencil. Now similarly, open your page number 51. Open your workbook at page number 51. Tracing small letters W. Firstly, trace the letters on tracing, and after that write the letters into the given boxes. Now students, if you have good manners and keep things clean, our house get dirty sometimes and need to be cleaned regularly. Just like our house, it is also our responsibility to not make roads dirty. But just as houses need to be cleaned, the roads also need to be cleaned regularly. Now let's recite the rhyme clean up. Clean up song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, time to clean up where you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, time to clean up where you are. Put the toys back in their place. Keep a smile upon your face. Put the toys back in their place. Keep a smile upon your face. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, time to clean up where you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, time to clean up where you are. Students, after reciting this rhyme, now tell me, do you know about the people who help to keep our surrounding clean, like sweepers, garbage collectors? They all are helpers and they help us to clean our surrounding and as well as clean up the roads and streets also. Yes, try to give them respect. Now students, this is your free time to play. After playing, let's come back and recite the rhyme clean up we have already learned. Stay connected with your teacher and with your school. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.